Welcome. We're here at day 2 with certification, and we had an amazing time yesterday talking about CRG's personal style indicator and why it's preferred over any other personality tool in the marketplace. And so we have this great group here, and so we're going to ask them a question. How many here have taken other personality tools? Some are in their lifetime: DISC, Myers-Briggs, True Colors, Enneagram. Hands up. Okay. And your comments last night, after you learned about the personal style indicator, how many believe the personal style indicator is the best experience that you've ever had as a personal style tool?
Definitely.
Yeah.
Okay. So my communication to you that are watching on LinkedIn from this group, our peers, your peers, is that the personal style indicator, now been around for 40 years, is the best personal style personality tool in the marketplace for multiple reasons. And we want to encourage you to reach out, find out more about why all these professionals from around the world, from Australia to Denver to Calgary to Canada, why is it the best and why it could transform your life. Thanks for watching.